Introducing the JP-1017 dashboard speaker covers for the 2018 to 2024 Jeeps. These speaker covers are designed to improve the look of your dash speaker grills. Now, let's get into the simple install. Grab your favorite pry tool and pop off the stock grill. Make sure you have all the pins you need. Pop in the new grills. For any more information on this product or any other Metra Jeep accessories, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and visit us on metraonline.com. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.